Vision Datum benchtop hyperspectral cameras are powerful tools used in applications like packaging inspection and material sorting. Let's quickly walk through how to use it step by step. First, connect the camera to your computer with the data cable and launch the software. Next, configure the settings in the software. Before capturing data, perform both white and black calibrations to ensure accuracy. Once calibrated, place your sample in the camera's view and start scanning. You'll see both the image and spectral data in real time. Discover more of Vision Datum's hyperspectral solutions, including airborne and multispectral cameras.